did not tell her husband. So after 40 years, उसने बताया उसका husband, and the water is drinkable here, right? He was staring at her, so she was not happy with it. And then the man told, अच्छा लग रहा है, यहाँ पर सो जाओगे? Okay, तो मैं आगे बैठ रही हूँ, bye. Good morning guys and welcome back to my channel. आप लोगों ने पहले वीडियो देखा होगा जहाँ पर मैं यरीवान में आके, और आज हम जा रहे हैं towards the other side. We are going to rent a car. But before we leave from here, I'm just going to give you एक यहाँ का अपार्टमेंट टूर देती हूँ. ये Airbnb लिया था हमने. I think it was like $50 for a night for 4 people, 2 room.
It's a nice video. Welcome. Hi guys, welcome back to Anusa channel again. अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया है तो hit the subscribe button and leave a comment for the algorithm, please.
Thank you. So this is the room when you enter inside. यहाँ पर बाथरूम है जहाँ पर अभी Braden is taking shower. And ये है अपना living room. I pack करके we have to leave this place. Shivam socks. And here is the kitchen this side. यहाँ से if you see, look at the view outside. You will see there are lots of old houses. I mean, there's old house right in front of us. But the shocking thing is, आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पर how they have, kept their clothes to dry outside. मैं सोच रही थी, हम सोचे थे कि यहाँ पर कैसे dry किया होगा, but they have connected this wire through that thing. तो यहाँ से I think it rolls and that's how they dry it. I don't know how it works, but this is Nasir.
Hello.
और ये है एक रूम. हाँ, you're Indian?
हमने लगभग हिंदी सीख ली.
हमने लगभग इंग्लिश सीख लिए, हिंदी सीख लिए. Yeah, this is one room here, and ये दूसरा रूम है एक और, जहाँ पर twin bed है. सब ready हो गए and now we are leaving this home, this beautiful apartment. सब कुछ ले लिया?
सब कुछ ले लिया. Bye. चल ले. Bye bye, let's go.
What's that?
Brilliant. So camera scene. For your information, this is Anusa's bag I'm carrying.
This is not my, this is your bag which I stole from you.
You're so generous, Shivam, carrying her bag.
It is his bag actually.
Shivam, bag, you have the most essentials. Chale.
चलो.
Yeah. Trying to figure it out. I don't know.
We have no idea where we are going.
Pretend like I know what I'm doing.
Braden is the one who navigates the taxi and everything. He's very pro at it.
Always. Every time we come here, though, we come from this way. So.
And I'm the one who decide the country.
You know, it's amazing,
Decide the
though,
country.
that Shubham is one of the most prolific, one of the biggest travelers I know, but he's the worst navigator. He doesn't know any directions.
That's true. That's true actually. IR. Is it from Iran?
Yeah,
Which car do you want?
I of course want Russian card. Iranian card. 4 million.
Shubham, we've been here. We've been here before.
Oh, I was living over there.
I don't know why. We've been here.
As you can see, Braden drinking water directly from the tap here. The water is drinkable here, right?
Armenians are very proud of their water.
That guy is like, why the hell is she making video of someone drinking water?
It's just water.
Mainly Russian.
So we're trying to figure out what to eat. Yesterday also we had Indian food. Day before yesterday we also had Indian food. This is what happens when you travel with Shubham.
No, it's not you.
No, it's not me. You know, right?
Save me. Save me.
Braden is now a huge fan of Indian food, and so is Natsya. Shubham, you don't have to say about that.
I get crazy if I don't eat Indian food.
Yeah, Shubham.
And you need rice.
Like I need rice. You also love rice.
Yeah, I also need rice at least.
Oh, they also have pickles.
Eat food.
So this is the
Actually, yeah.
food that I'm getting. Herschel. Braden बोल रहा है कि ये actually Georgian खाना है, लेकिन Georgia में मैंने नहीं देखा इसको.
But it's usually eaten like really early in the morning.
Early in the morning.
So you have to, usually they run out.
तो मैं ये खाऊंगी. I think Braden is going to have this.
Pizza with me?
Okay.
सब मैं okay. कितना खाएगी तू यार?
खा लेंगे, तुम ऑर्डर कर लो ना. ये मेरा आ गया है खाना. एंड कुछ ब्रेड भी दिया है यहाँ पर।
Where in different.
ये है ब्रेड इनका बोर्श, जो यहाँ जो सोवियत कंट्री है ना वहाँ पे बहुत ही फेमस है, एक्स सोवियत। बोर्श इज फ्रॉम विच कंट्री? इज इट फ्रॉम यूक्रेन?
Yeah, Ukraine, Lithuania.
Because I first ate in Ukraine. मैंने ये यूक्रेन में टेस्ट किया था।
But every country is a little bit different.
Yeah.
In Lithuania, I like Lithuania. They put on a lot of sour cream.
मिक्स करके ऐसा हो गया बोर्श। इन दोनों का अभी नहीं आया है खाना। मेरा तो क्रीम कुछ भी नहीं दिया है, बस it's just like this with some meat, rice. अभी हम यहाँ आ गए to get the car. This is the car that we are renting for 3 days to go to Lake Sivan, जो यहाँ अर्मेनिया का one of the attraction है, like a very beautiful place, lake. तो हम वहाँ जाएंगे हम चारों मिलके, and we'll also try to go to the border near to Iran and Armenia. तो अभी हमने कार रेंट किया है, अभी चेक कर रहे हैं कार को, and after that we will leave. So इसलिए currently we are at the car parking, and ये हमारा कार. Are you checking the car?
Yeah, I took a small thing like this.
What's that?
Small
Oh,
one.
yeah.
Over here.
इसको दिखाना ज़रूरी है.
You need to make sure you mention all these things.
Yeah.
because In countries like this,
You never know what they might say, right?
I want to think nice.
तो ये कार है almost $300 for 3 days.
Wow.
तो एक्चुअली ये चीपेस्ट कार नहीं है, अभी नहीं था चीपेस्ट कार, सो दिस वाज द चीपेस्ट कार. अदरवाइज अगर yesterday we checked and $40 per night का भी था, but this is like $70 per night. हम लेट हो गए, that's why we had to get this. There are no other options. You can also pick the car from the airport, but हम यहाँ पर आए थे to this place nearby, so that's why we came here. और शुभम ने उसका अपना जगह बना लिया है. He's going to sit at the back. And we are going to jump
It's
the
okay.
thing.
I didn't want to see him anyway.
बाय बाय शुभम. तो अंदर शुभम है अभी.
What are feelings?
मैं आगे बैठ रही हूँ शुभम. तो आपको कैसा लग रहा है यहाँ बैठ के?
अच्छा लग रहा है.
अच्छा लग रहा है. यहाँ पर सो जाओगे?
हाँ.
ओके, तो मैं आगे बैठ रही हूँ. बाय.
आगे मैं बैठूँ.
मैं तो तुम यहाँ पर बैठ रही हो. बेचारा बाहर आना पड़ा है.
You driver? Maybe no.
Shubham is going to crash every one of us.
He kill.
He will kill us.
Kill.
Excuse me.
Молодой человек. Молодой человек.
Yeah.
What are you doing? Can you tell me what are you doing in the driver's seat?
I'm gonna be in driver for some days.
No, you are not.
I'm
No, Braden is going to drive.
You bad driver, I think.
the best driver in the world.
Yeah. After renting the car, we came here. We drove all the way here, and हम अब यहाँ पहुँचे हैं Mother Armenia statue में.
This is Subham. Ahmad Subham. Subham.
I don't know what this represents, but it looks so cool here, right next to the Mother Armenia statue. इसका जो story है is quite interesting. Like this is the Mother Armenia, and यहाँ पर before this, there was a statue of Stalin in this area. तो एक दिन क्या हुआ, the lady जिसका ये face जो स्कल्पचर बना हुआ है, I don't remember her name, मैं ये लिंक में लिख दूँगी. So it has been said that वो एक दिन ना she went for shopping to buy some tomatoes with her children, and when she was buying a tomato, एक आदमी ने he was staring at her, so she was not happy with it, and then the man came to her and apologized कि sorry मैंने आपको ऐसे stare किया, आप बुरा मत मानिएगा, but he wants to actually replace the Stalin statue with a female, a women warrior, like to show strength and victory. तो फिर उसने पूछा उस लेडी को क्या मैं आपका फ़ोटो ले सकती हूँ to make a sculpture of you as Mother Armenia, the statue here in Yerevan. And obviously the lady did not बोला, she refused. She was like, I'm not too happy about this, मुझे मेरा sculpture नहीं चाहिए. But when she went home and she told her son, उसने बोला नहीं, you are going to do this. So finally she agreed and this is her. उसने अपने पति को भी नहीं बोला for 40 years कि ये जो मदर आर्मेनिया का जो स्टैचू है, जो स्कल्पचर, वो उसका बना हुआ है. She did not tell her husband. So after 40 years उसने बताया उसका husband, and the entire people here of Armenia knew who actually was the woman behind the statue. And this is exactly how Mother Armenia looks like. And right next to it is the beautiful view of Yerevan.
I think it's amazing how it just dominates the entire city.
Yeah, it's like, you know, standing on top. Actually, the thing is that, Braden, I don't know if you went or not, even in Kiev there is.
Yeah.
Even in Georgia there is. Like, I think in almost all the Soviet countries, ex-Soviet countries, they have it.
You're not supposed to stand inside the monument.
So ये है monument. I think the people, what did you say it was, Braden?
This is like basically, I think it's a monument basically to like all the people who died over Armenian struggles.
And there's a fire burning here, man.
Eternal.
Yeah. यहाँ पर छोटे छोटे बच्चे के लिए कार्स भी रखा है. I think like maybe in the evening people come here, play the car. It's quite a fun thing to do. Fun activities for the kids. और ये देखिए यहाँ पर. Looks like a rocket. And उस साइड पे पार्क है, in that side. Zombie castle. Booth है अंदर, booth. Looks like what's that? Pennywise.
You wanna go?
Oh, spooky. I think it's because it's Halloween. That's why. Is it because Halloween is coming and they made it like this?
No, it's full time. Armenia's a scary place, kids.
तो ये जो अभी पीछे आपने देखा, यहाँ पर एक पार्क टाइप का कुछ है, like a lots of place to play around, and यहाँ पर एक haunted place भी है जहाँ पर बच्चे अभी रो रहे थे देख के. How did you feel when you saw the kids cry, Braden?
I was scared too.
बहुत प्यारा है. But यहाँ पर लोग आते हैं यहाँ पर घूमने के लिए, and there are things to buy as well, so we got some water. And मैं आज का वीडियो यहीं पर ख़त्म करूँगी. So thank you for watching, guys. And
The energy drink here.
yeah, it is energy drink because a driver needs
Yeah.
energy.
Machina.
तो अभी शुभम वॉशरूम गया है and we'll keep walking towards the car. फिर मैं यहीं पर end करती हूँ आज की वीडियो. Thank you for watching my video and we'll see you in the next
Make
one.
sure you hit the like button. Leave a comment. It's better for the algorithms.
Yeah.
Smash the like button, actually.
Thank you, guys.
Not long ago you got hurt, someone did you wrong. I can see it in your eyes, it's like your fire is gone across your